Okay, so you use Notion, right? But have you ever looked at one of those incredible life organizing templates and just wondered, how on earth are these things made? Well, today we're pulling back that curtain. We're going to go on a journey from just using Notion to actually building the powerful templates that make the platform feel like magic. I mean, you've totally been there. You find this amazing, perfectly structured template, maybe it's a content calendar or a personal finance hub, and you're just floored. It seems so complex, so intricate, you're left thinking, where would I even start? Well, that feeling of intimidation, it ends today. We are going to break that whole process down, the mindset, the skills, and the literal step-by-step actions you need to take to go from being a Notion user to a full-blown Notion creator. First things first, building a great template isn't really about knowing every single button and feature. It actually starts with a huge shift in how you think. You've got to stop being just a user and start becoming a problem solver. So instead of asking, what cool thing can I build? The real question you should be asking is, whose life can I make a little bit easier? Or what annoying, clunky process can I streamline? You see, a great template isn't just a pile of features, it's a solution. It's a tool that gives real, tangible value to someone. All right, so you've got the mindset locked in. Now it's time to get our hands dirty with the core tools. Think of these as the foundational building blocks that power every single one of those advanced setups you've ever admired. Yeah, this visual, it pretty much nails the transformation we're talking about. On the left, you've got that digital junk drawer, where, let's be honest, a lot of us start. But on the right, that's where we're headed. A smart, interconnected system that actually works for you. And the secret to bridging that gap? Well, it all boils down to one single, super important feature. And that feature is the database. Seriously, if you're still just using Notion for simple pages and basic checklists, this is your wake-up call. Databases are the engine. They're what lets you create those awesome to-do lists where checking off a subtask automatically fills up a master progress bar. Getting good at databases is absolutely non-negotiable. And hey, while you're getting the hang of databases, don't sleep on the small stuff. Learning just a few of these simple markdown shortcuts can make your building process so much faster. It's the difference between fumbling around with menus and just letting your ideas flow right onto the page. It makes you a quicker, more effective creator. So, you've got the mindset, you're working on the technical skills. Now for the fun part. How do you combine all of that to design something that's not just functional, but truly great? Let's walk through the blueprint. You need a plan. Seriously, don't just jump in and start building randomly. You have to think like a product designer. Start with what you know, your passions, then figure out who needs that knowledge. Define exactly what your template will do for them, and then, and only then, do you start outlining the actual structure. And if you need a North Star for your design, here it is, straight from Notion's official guide. A successful template has to hit these 3 marks. It has to be genuinely useful, it needs to be different from what's already out there, and it has to be scalable, meaning it can grow with the person who's using it. And this is huge. Remember, you understand the complex system you just built, but a brand new user? Not a clue. You have to make it intuitive. Keep your layouts clean, add some custom icons for visual cues, and most importantly, hide all that unnecessary complexity. A great user experience is every bit as important as powerful features. Okay, you've built it, you've refined it, you've made it user-friendly, and now it's time for the most exciting part of all, sharing your creation with the world. And the best part is, Notion makes this incredibly simple. What seems like it would be a big, scary process is literally just 4 clicks. You go to Share, then Publish, click Publish to Web, and then flip that magic switch, Allow Duplicate as Template. That's it. And this right here should give you all the confidence you need to share your work. When someone duplicates your template, they are only getting a copy. Your original master version stays completely untouched and safe in your own workspace. So seriously, don't be afraid to put your creation out there. Now, once your template is live and public, you can kick it up a notch by submitting it to the official Notion marketplace. This is where you can connect with a huge community of users, build a name for yourself as a creator, and maybe even start making some money from your work. So, we've covered the mindset, the core skills, the design principles, and the exact steps to publish. There's really only one thing left to do, and that's for you to start building. And that brings us right back to where we started, to the most important question of all. You have the tools now, you have the blueprint. So forget about features for a second and think about value. Think about who you can help. What unique solution are you going to build?